had my bath.
They just
I'm not happy about it. Oh, he actually looks pretty happy.
There you go, baby. Hi, Brian. Say hi. Hi, Brian. Hi, Lori. It's great talking to you today, Brian.
So where's the tummy?
Where's the tummy?
Show the fleas.
Oh, look at that big belly.
Look at how big his tummy is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We got dead fleas down there. Right there. That one
We're not
stuck.
sure.
I think they're dead. We're going to have to... Oh, there's at least 3 of them down there.
Look at that with a magnifying glass. I can't tell.
It's a flea, Mom. It had wings. You need to get
It's
out some
dead.
tweezers.
It's dead, yeah. That looks like a flea, but yeah, it's dead too.
Is it dead?
Did it just run?
I don't know. After its first batch,
I
we
think
saw
it
it.
just moved. I think you're right.
Wait, hold still. I don't think it's moving.
I think we need another towel. I think this one's too wet. This baby's still
Hey,
cold.
today he learned how to lick himself.
He did. You're a smart kitty. What the heck is that in my face? What the heck is that?
You know, there's no fleas on his face or anything. I'm surprised that he doesn't have fleas all in his ears, you know. Did they never go there because there's no fur?
No.
That'd be a logical place to hide if I were a flea. Okay, should I stop this
Yeah.
and get out the...
Yeah.